If you thought modern robotics was limited to industrial factory arms or vacuum robots rolling around your living room, think again. What you're about to see looks like something straight out of a Hollywood sci-fi movie, but it is 100% real. To biomechanical entities that border on the disturbing, technology has crossed a line of no return. Today, you are going to discover the 7 most advanced and hyper-realistic robots of the planet. Bionic, muscular, disturbing. This is Protoclone. If the previous exoskeleton was imposing because of its size and metal frame, what Clone Robotics is doing with Protoclone pushes technology into almost biological territory. Forget about noisy electric motors, rigid gears, or plastic shells. The anatomy of this robot has been engineered to copy human biology step by step. Instead of traditional mechanical parts, its interior is built with synthetic, reinforced resin bones, flexible joints, and a network of artificial muscles powered by a high-pressure hydraulic system. Every muscle pack contracts and relaxes using fluid, mimicking exactly how an athlete's muscle fibers work. Watching Protoclone move a hand, flex its fingers, or rotate its wrist is both fascinating and deeply unsettling. The biomechanical precision is so absurdly high that it can replicate the fine agility and dexterity of an actual human hand, allowing it to handle fragile objects or apply raw force as needed. This combination of hydraulic power and organic flexibility shatters the boundaries of traditional robotics, proving that the future of machines isn't about making them more metallic, but more human. But while imitating internal anatomy with synthetic muscles is one thing, recreating the skin, the face, and the eyes to the point of making you question whether you're looking at a real person or an android is a whole different story.
Hyper-realistic, expressive, hypnotic. This is Ameca. Developed in Japan by renowned robotics expert Hiroshi Ishiguro, Ameca was created to break the boundaries of human communication and interaction. Unlike rigid industrial androids, her face is covered in high-fidelity medical-grade silicone and powered by dozens of pneumatic actuators hidden beneath her skin. She looks amazing. Sorry, I got distracted. Every subtle eyebrow shift, blink, or slight head tilt is programmed to replicate the empathy and presence of a real person. But what makes her even more fascinating is her integrated AI system. Ameca utilizes advanced facial recognition and speech processing algorithms to hold fluid conversations, track the eyes of whoever is speaking to her, and adjust her expressions in real time. Her level of expressiveness is so high that she was even cast as the lead in a cinematic feature film, becoming one of the most iconic and advanced androids in history. Setting Ameca's facial hyperrealism aside, if we're looking for the ultimate combination of sleek design, futuristic lines, and classic android elegance, this next robot is a true visual masterpiece.
Futuristic, elegant, sculpted. This is Moya. While many robotics labs prioritize raw mechanical power or hyper-realistic human faces, the creators of Moya took a radically different path, combining high-level engineering with high-end industrial design. Moya represents a vision of robotics where technology doesn't look clunky or intimidating, but rather seamless, organic, and effortlessly futuristic. Underneath its smooth, high-precision aesthetic casing lies a sophisticated network of lightweight servo actuators and balance sensors. Designed with a human-like silhouette, Moya moves with a fluid, natural grace that eliminates the typical jerky, robotic motions we're used to seeing. Every joint transition, from its shoulders down to its legs, is calibrated for silent, low-vibration operation. Beyond its visual elegance, Moya was built to explore how humans respond emotionally to machines. By stripping away complex facial features in favor of clean lines and subtle lighting, it avoids the creepy, uncanny valley effect altogether. It proves that humanoid robots can be both functional and visually stunning, setting a new benchmark for how aesthetics and mechanical design will blend in the future of robotics. If Moya takes futuristic minimalism to the next level, UBTECH just completely erased the boundary between machine and fashion model. Hyperbionic, uncanny. Next generation, this is the UBTECH U1 series. While UBTECH is widely known for industrial humanoids, their U1 platform takes ultra-realistic robotics into an entirely new realm. Designed with hyperbionic skin, fluid artificial micro-expressions, and high-fashion aesthetics, these androids look like they walked straight off a runway or out of a sci-fi blockbuster. Equipped with dynamic micro-actuators embedded directly beneath silicone skin, the U1 replicates human facial movements, subtle breathing, and eye tracking with disturbing realism. It isn't built to lift heavy crates or work on assembly lines. It's designed to explore the frontier of companion AI, high-end hospitality, and human-robot social interaction. By fusing cutting-edge robotics with luxury design, UBTECH is making a bold statement about how seamless and stylish artificial humanoids might look in our daily lives. As impressive as UBTECH's high-fashion approach is, other pioneers are taking hyper-realistic humanoids down an even more personal, interactive path. Hyper-customizable, emotionally interactive, uncanny. This is Realbotix. While most robotics companies focus purely on factory automation or physical labor, Realbotix takes android engineering down an entirely different, highly personal path. Their main goal is to bridge the gap between artificial intelligence and human emotional connection, creating synthetic companions that feel genuinely present in a physical room. Equipped with custom-sculpted silicone skin, dynamic facial micro-actuators, and advanced conversational AI, these androids don't just speak, they observe, react, and adapt. They can maintain realistic eye contact, simulate subtle breathing, and generate dynamic facial expressions that match the mood of the conversation in real time. Users can fully customize their appearance, voice, and personality traits, making Realbotix a pioneer in high-end personal robotics, private entertainment, and therapeutic social interaction. By fusing cutting-edge language models with hyper-realistic physical bodies, Realbotix is redefining what it means to build an artificial entity engineered strictly for human bonding. As impressive as custom, personal androids are, synthetic realism takes on an entirely different scale when full-blown mass production enters the picture. Operating out of massive, futuristic production facilities, EX Robots is taking hyper-realistic android manufacturing to an unprecedented level. Rather than building isolated prototypes, they are focused on mass-producing synthetic humanoids designed to integrate directly into public society. Beneath their highly flexible silicone exoskin lies a complex network of independent micro-actuators. These allow the robots to replicate intricate human facial movements with disturbing precision, from subtle eye twitches and natural breathing rhythms to fully expressive smiles and emotional reactions. Powered by advanced multimodal AI, these machines can recognize human faces, analyze emotional cues, and respond contextually in real time. Engineered to staff front desk positions, serve as interactive museum guides, and act as high-tech corporate representatives, EX Robots is testing the limits of human-robot social integration on a global scale. They aren't just building realistic faces, they are creating the workforce for a future where artificial humanoids walk among us every day. While creating synthetic skin and convincing facial expressions is a massive engineering feat, real human interaction requires much more than just looking the part. To truly cross the uncanny valley, a robot needs a mind that can process human emotion, adapt instantly to its environment, and react with genuine spontaneity. And when it comes to combining self-awareness, fluid motion, and breathtaking artificial intelligence into a single entity, no machine on the planet does it quite like this. Advanced facial mechanics, unmatched fluid expression, uncanny artificial awareness. This is Ameca, widely considered the world's most advanced human-shaped robot. Developed by Engineered Arts, Ameca was designed from the ground up with a clear philosophy. True human interaction isn't just about mimicry, it's about presence. While other humanoid projects focus on heavy physical lifting or walking across complex terrain, Ameca is dedicated entirely to mastering the art of nonverbal communication, social intelligence, and real-time conversation. Housed beneath its iconic gray synthetic skin is a sophisticated system of high-precision facial actuators. These allow Ameca to express an astonishing range of human emotions, from subtle surprise and skepticism to genuine delight, disgust, and deep contemplation. Coupled with advanced computer vision and multimodal AI language models, Ameca can track multiple people in a crowded room, recognize facial expressions, process visual cues, and respond instantly with natural gaze shifts and human-like gestures. It doesn't just answer questions, it reacts to tone, cracks jokes, and displays a terrifyingly convincing level of situational awareness. By bringing raw artificial intelligence into a body that feels alive, Ameca stands as the ultimate vision of how humans and machines will communicate face-to-face in the very near future. Reaching the end of this video, what did you think of this lineup of robots that barely seem real? Let me know down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching all the way through. These videos take a massive amount of effort to put together.
So if you enjoy it, support the channel by hitting the like button and subscribing. Thanks a lot for watching, and remember, See you in the future.